Hi, it's Ed Kaminsky, and I know embarking on the purchase of a home can be very challenging, from the legalese and am I paying the right price and so many different things. One of the things I always recommend to buyers to do, if they can get their hands on it, read through what we call the RPA. The RPA is a residential purchase contract or agreement. And so the RPA is everything you are going to sign and agree upon between you and the seller. Understanding what you're signing is important. The challenge is every time you get handed a real estate contract from a real estate agent, they usually give it to you 2 minutes before you decide you want to make an offer, and it needs to be presented 2 minutes later, and you don't really have the time to read through it. So I think it's important to go through that. I'm going to give you an opportunity to learn more about bits and pieces of what is in the real estate purchase agreement and what you're agreeing to. To get a copy of an actual RPA or real estate purchase agreement, just click below and we'll send you one for you to review. Let me give you a tip of what's in the RPA. I think for buyers, probably the most important thing is how much is your deposit on the purchase price and how do you get it back if something goes wrong. Those clauses, which are your contingency clauses, are the most critical clauses to understand how they work, how they operate. Those are right within the contract. After you get a chance to peruse through the contract, if it doesn't put you to sleep, take a moment and circle some of the things that you may have questions on. Feel free to pick up your phone, make an appointment with us for a quick 30-minute Zoom call. We'll walk you through any of the questions you have and help you understand those paragraphs a little bit better, those agreements a little bit better to keep you protected. Even if you work with someone else, it's fine. We're here to help. Give us a call. Happy to answer any questions you have about the real estate purchase contract. Thank you.